In this video, we will explain how to use the Get Started button. If the user is visiting our fan page for the first time and clicks the message button, they will see the Get Started button. So, where should we set up the auto reply for this? We can go to our bot manager and select our fan page. In the Get Started settings, we need to enable the feature, and then we will see a welcome message below. Let's say I enter some content in this welcome message. The content we enter below the Get Started will appear in the messenger. Next, we need to set up an automatic reply when someone clicks the Get Started button. This Get Started will only appear if the person is visiting our messenger for the first time. If you are an admin of the fan page and want to test it yourself, you can click the triangle icon here, and then click Delete Chat to remove your chat history. Then click the Message button again to see the Get Started button. If our users have had any chat history with us, they won't see the Get Started button. Now, let's set up the automatic reply that appears when the button is clicked. The system already has a preset automatic reply, which is welcome to our page. Here, we can choose the action button settings and click on the Get Started template. When we come to this interface, we can modify the text, which was previously welcome to our page. In this flow, we can create content similar to other flows. For example, we can set up text here, upload images, buttons, videos, etc., and start introducing our products or packages. Let's assume I have finished setting up all the content for all flows. I can click on the Save button in the upper right corner, and then click on the Fan Page button to test it. I click on the message and clear the previous conversation. Click on Delete Chat, and then click on Message again, followed by Get Started. Good! The content I just set up appears, which is what I said in the Get Started template. If you find that your action button setting is different from the interface we demonstrated, if you click on the Action Button Settings button, and then click on the Get Started template, and it doesn't take you to the Flow Builder interface that shows this kind of interface, you can select Text with Button in the reply type, and enter some text in the reply message. In the button type, we choose Postback, and in the Postback ID, we can create an automatic reply flow. So, in summary, we must go to the Flow Builder. In the Bot Flow Builder, we click on Create New Flow to create an automatic reply flow for Get Started. For example, let's name this flow Get Started. After creating it, I can go to my Action Button setting and click on the Get Started template. This time, in the Postback, I can select the Get Started flow I just set up. In short, if you see this kind of interface when you click on the Get Started template, you can directly set it up here. If you see this interface when you click on the Get Started template, then we can go to the Flow Builder and create a flow there. After setting it up, return to our Action Button setting and select it in the Postback section. That's it for the tutorial on the Get Started button.